Hello guys, Rachel here of Archaeologist. Today we're gonna do the short unboxing and also reviewing the Deepcool AK620 G2 air cooler. Let's do the unboxing. Inside the box you will find a small box that contains the accessories like the Intel backplate, Intel and AMD brackets, stand-ups, and screws, the fan clips, the fan splitter, the screwdriver, the thermal grease, extra heatsink covers, the documentation and user's manual, and lastly the Deepcool AK620 G2 air cooler itself. Let's go to the specifications and features. The Deepcool AK620 G2 has dimensions of 127 by 144 by 159 millimeters, with a weight of 1,386 grams. From the name itself, G2, this air cooler is the second generation of the Deepcool's iconic AK lineup. It has the same quality as Deepcool claim, but with different aesthetics. At the top of the heatsink of this dual tower cooler is a wood grain top cover. If you're into wood themes, then this cooler is perfect for you. These are removable and can be replaced by the extra top covers included in the box. The dual tower heatsink still remains the same, mostly following the design of the previous AK620 with the same pattern for the front and back heatsinks. The main difference is that the cutout of the bottom heatsink is larger and the back heatsink doesn't have one. There are 6 heat pipes, with each of the heat pipes having a diameter of 6 millimeters. The cold plate is made from copper with a nickel finish. This air cooler is now using the CTT 2.0 that allows you to offset the mounting bracket to ensure proper installation on different platforms. The fans included are the DF120 fans. These fans are sturdy and don't easily bend. At each corner, there are rubber pads that help minimize vibration and noise. At the middle of the fan is the Deepcool logo. The fan has a maximum speed of 2000 RPM and a maximum airflow of 57.76 CFM. The fans can be connected using the 4-pin fan cable. Let's install the air cooler. Here are my final thoughts. The Deepcool AK620 G2 comes in as a refresh rather than a full redesign. There's no major overhaul to the overall build and aesthetics. And if you've seen the original AK620, this will feel very familiar. The biggest changes are on the mounting system, which is now easier to work with, and the updated heatsink top covers that give it a slightly different look depending on which variant you pick. Installation is straightforward. Deepcool has always made their air coolers easy to set up, and this one follows the same trend. No surprises, no complicated steps, just a smooth process overall. For performance, I tested the AK620G2 on my Intel test bench using Cinebench 2024. Temperature-wise, nothing significant has changed. It still performs almost exactly like its predecessor at full fan speeds. I cannot say the same for AMD systems, since I haven't tested it there. But on Intel, the improvements are basically non-existent on the thermal side. However, the market has shifted since the last AK620 I tested, with new players like the Sama A620E entering the price to performance arena. The ranking of the AK620G2 drops a bit. It's still competitive, but not as strong as before. Overall, the Deepcool AK620G2 feels more like a subtle refinement than a true generational upgrade. It keeps the strengths of the original, adds a better mounting system, and leans into its unique aesthetic options. And with newer coolers disrupting the price to performance charts, the AK620G2 doesn't hit as hard as it used to. But if you're after an air cooler that blends great build quality with a standard design, especially if the wood grain look fits your theme, the AK620G2 remains a reliable and stylish pick for many PC builds. You can buy the Deepcool AK620G2 around the price of $186 or 3,395 pesos at your nearest Deepcool affiliated online and physical stores. I hope this video is informational for you. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. And see you in the next video.